Before assembly, the original hood must be removed. Remove the bump stops, clamps, and lock, as well as the actuators and ball joints from the original hood. Prepare the screws and anti-rotation adhesive. We recommend working with 2 people. Turn the carbon fiber hood upside down. Screw the bump stops, clamps, and lock removed from the original hood into the appropriate locations. Do not over-tighten the clamps, as they will require precise positioning later in the assembly process. Screw the ball joints onto the actuators in the appropriate locations on the carbon fiber hood. Install the hood support actuators onto the ball joints. Next, position the hinged hood so that the distance between the hood and the bodywork is the same on each side and the hood rests evenly on the hinges. Once the carbon hood is positioned correctly, tighten the clamps and all the hood mounting screws. Remember to apply anti-loosening adhesive to the mounting screw threads for added security. Prepare the hood inlets. Insert the inlets into the designated locations on the carbon hood. Then, secure the inlets from the inside of the hood using the mounting screws.